Well, wanted to give you a quick Rhizome update. We're here at the beginning of August and our cascade's growing quite nicely. We're about 15, 16 feet up and you can see the cascade hops growing up there. Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. As you hopefully have already seen, we dropped a new video where we're finishing up brewing on the BrewZilla Generation 4 and the boil and all the cool stuff from chilling and transferring, and all went really well, so you're going to want to check that out.
Yeah, we also, what we transferred into is pretty cool, so you definitely want to check out that. Some more new next-gen prototype hardware. All right, let's take it back to the studio so we can tell you what this week's Kit of the Week is.
This week's Kit of the Week is Ron Mexico Pale Ale.
So for those who don't know, Ron Mexico was the old name for Sabro. Now it's known as Sabro. So it's a Sabro Pale Ale, essentially.
What's the history of Ron Mexico?
Do you want to go into that? So Ron Mexico is the name Michael Vick checked himself into the hospital for, and I think Vinny's the one who named that hop Ron Mexico, based on that story, is how I understand it.
Could be. Great story.
Better beer.
And to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the weekly giveaway.
I want to say, and I didn't say it, he checked himself in for herpes. Exactly. Maybe that would have been good. I don't know. I was like, we'll leave his medical history out of this.
So it's our first brew day, or my first brew day on the Gen 4. Yeah, as advertised, everything is awesome. Love the controller, love being able to log in via Wi-Fi and look at the data. Sparging was easier with the two-step. I mean, all these, I have my last gen BrewZilla and I don't plan to upgrade anytime soon, but I'm stoked and I can't wait for it to break so I can upgrade to this new one.
Yeah, lots of little features that in and of themselves aren't that exciting. A plug that comes out, a cone-shaped bottom with a center pull, the little bit bigger mash basket. They all seem little incrementally, but all added up are pretty impressive. Don't forget to enter this month's monthly giveaway where we're giving away the new Gen 4 BrewZilla. You're gonna wanna win this.